So I'm installing the MESO Custom Map lights, and for removing the factory bulb, just make sure that you have the power off to the outlet. But I used a scribe to get up behind the light to pop it out. There was a guy saying to use tape. I couldn't get it to stick, but as you can see how it's round on the end, you can get it to hook up and around to pop it out. It takes a little bit of fishing, but you can get it out. And then get you a set of curved pliers. You can use it to plug it in. Sorry, do one-handed. And you got to make sure that you get the right side, because obviously this is a little exaggeration, but it's flat on the bottom end, and it's tapered. It's got a little bit of a taper up top, so I had to flip this around because I had it over here at first, but then just line up the pegs. And voila.